Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the BIOS firmware repair on your LG Ultrawide monitor, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger for prying open the casing, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws during the process. 1. Power down and unplug. Start by turning off your monitor and unplugging it from the power source. This step is crucial to ensure your safety while working on the device. 2. Remove the stand. Use the Phillips screwdriver to detach the stand from the back of the monitor. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. 3. Open the casing. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the monitor's casing. Work your way around the edges gently to avoid cracking the plastic. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any hidden screws. 4. Locate the BIOS chip. Once the casing is open, locate the BIOS chip on the motherboard. It's usually near the power supply unit. Take a moment to clean the surrounding area with a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust buildup, which can affect performance. 5. Back up the current firmware. If possible, connect the motherboard to a compatible programmer and back up the existing BIOS firmware. This step is important in case you need to revert back to the original settings. 6. Download the latest BIOS. Visit LG's official support site to download the latest BIOS firmware for your specific ultrawide model. Make sure to verify that it's the correct version to prevent any further issues. 7. Flash the new BIOS. Using the programmer, flash the new BIOS firmware onto the chip. Follow the instructions provided with the programming tool carefully. If you feel uncertain about this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. 8. Reassemble the monitor. After the flashing process is complete, reassemble the monitor by reversing the steps you took to open it. Ensure all screws are tightly secured to maintain the integrity of the casing. 9. Test the monitor. Plug your monitor back in and power it on. Check to see if the issue has been resolved and the monitor is functioning properly. 10. If issues persist, if the monitor still doesn't work, it might be time to consider professional help. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. No calls, no travel, just a simple and hassle-free service. In conclusion, repairing the BIOS firmware on your LG Ultrawide monitor can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to reach out for help if needed. Remember to get a quote before repair to avoid unexpected costs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.